I think it's interesting that after Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton, a significant amount of the losses that the industry suffered were flood losses. And I guess that's kind of the reason why we have not seen, some of the hardening that we were forecasting on the property side of homeowners. A lot of people weren't insured. A lot of people go without flood insurance, especially the further away you get from the coast, the more insulated you feel from that potential exposure. But these two storms have shown that that's no longer the case. So I do think that with our private flood capabilities, with our excess flood capabilities, agents really have conversations with their clients, educate their clients on that specific peril where it's just not going to happen on the coast. I mean, look at the storms. Like you had interior parts of Florida, you had interior parts of Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina impacted by these events that folks just weren't insured for.
Yeah, and it's amazing if you think back to Sandy, with all of the uninsured losses that occurred, you would think that the marketplace or insureds had wisened up to the fact that you do need flood insurance. The fact that we can write Cobra's own flood, we can write that private primary flood, we can write the excess flood, we can write big limits. The industry as a whole really needs to awaken to a bit more and sell more of it, just based on the fact that the claims that occurred from those two storms were mostly flood events.